Hello everybody, it's the Red Road Homestead, and as you can see, all the grass has been cut, weeds are knocked down, and I'm just getting ready to, oh yeah, and the rabbit cages have been cleaned out, and see my rainwater catchment. Well, when my son come down, him and his family, Dustin, me, and Little Wolf, we got the weed whacking and the mowing done, and then Landon and Alex helped carry cinder blocks back into the back, which you can't see from here, and stack those. And also, well, this rabbit cage got cleaned out too. He brought me down this big smoker grill, so now I can cook out. I just need to chain it up. And Little Wolf put my little solar lights all the way around on my front porch. So now I have little solar lights, and I got the solar lights from Dollar Tree, so when they go out, it's not going to cost that much to replace them. And then later on, I'm going to show you about what we're doing with the tomatoes today. And they're doing good. Garden, not so much. But look, all the weeds, everything's cut down and looking good. The heat has been really bad here for the plants. I am trying to bring them back. Hopefully they will make it. But all in all, I think my tomatoes, and then I have some, let's see if I can show you. I have some more tomato plants and pepper plants going up here. So I'll repot those and hopefully get something to can this year. I'm still hoping on bringing back the plants. Oh, I got a new little piggy solar light. And then over here in this flower bed, I have a rooster solar light. Never know when the lights go out, you guys. So right now, I'm going to fill this last jug of water. Like I said, both water catchments are still full. Little Wolf did put a small pump inside, so I can pump that rainwater inside and also use my spigot that he put there to get water for the animals. I've already got 3 done, and I got to get this one more, and then I will take you back to the chicks. So let me get this filled real quick. Hopefully it rains here soon so I can refill my water catchment systems back up. But for now, is what I got. And I have to use it for the animals, dishes, showers, things like that. I do go to the state park to get drinking water and haul it back. And make sure this is shut off. It is. So let's go back and take care of these chicken nuggets. One day will be dinner. Oh, there's the 2 roosters that's supposed to be back where I'm going. They will not go in at night. But they do take care of the chicks that I hatched in the incubator. When they come out, they actually taught them to come out in free range. So, but the ones I had an incubator do go in on their own at night, and they get back into their pen. So I do have 3 new additions. Hopefully we'll see here in a minute. I've got to carry all this water in. This is the first coop area. I don't know if these roosters are going to follow me and go into their own coop area, but I got to take the water out. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to do these ones first. And my friend Ann gave me those 2 roosters. We thought one would be a hen, but no, they're both roosters. And they are copper marans. But they just come and go as they please. I got to put this in the other coop. I really got to dump this other water. The goats are talking. They've already been fed and watered, so they just looking for treats now. And unfortunately, I got no treats today. Nah, I hear you. So what I'm going to do first, I think, is let these little ones out. I dump that dirty water out. And hang on just for a moment. I'll let you watch these crazy guys unless they knock you down. So I can get water in this. Whew. It's getting hot. And they're waiting for clean water. And I hear the little birds hitting the wall in here. Okay. Here you guys go. And I'll get them some food in a minute. Whoa. After they knocked all the weeds down, I found another banana tree plant. So it's got to be replanted. I have to open the other chickens because the food's in there. But these guys are already started. The chickens I'm letting out here now, the chicken nuggets, are the ones I hatched from the incubator. And you'll see them come running out. They're getting quite big. I put this rock over here so they can get in if the wind blows the door shut. And yeah, they're getting pretty big. I've got 3, I think they're leghorns, and 3, there they go in the goats. Goats pen, they go all over the place. And then 3 Easter eggers. Look at them run all the way up there. I don't know what's so interesting about that water trough, but they like pecking around it. So let me get back in here and show you what we got in the other one. And I'm going to set you down just for a moment because I have to tie this gate shut. I don't know why, because all the ones in that pen take off anyway in free range. But it does keep the other chickens here from fighting with them, and they seem to stay out of this one. So, let me close this up. And see if I can show you what we got in here. Hopefully my video's still going. Alright, gotta open this up. Here's the chickens from the other coop. Now, the female white one here, and one of these chickens, hens here, both think they're the mama to these little chicks that they hatched the other day. We got them two, and then one's hiding over here. There was more eggs, but it looks like they just covered them up with. Yep, there's the other mama. I'm not going to bother your babies. But, yep, more chicken McNuggets, you guys. Let me get their water thing here so I can clear it out. Then I'll get them some food. We've got all them shavings from... All right, guys, you got to get your head out of the way. Yep. Whew, okay. Kind of got it out of there. Now I got to get the lid off. Here we go. There's nothing in there, chickie-doo. Okay. I'll set this down while I pour the water in. Hopefully the chickens don't bug it. I gotta put it back inside because of the baby chicks. Uh-oh. Something tells me the camera's gonna get knocked down. Okay. I'll get your food in a minute, you guys. You gotta wait. I gotta get your water all in here. There we go. Let me get this on here. And I'll take this in for those chickens and grab their food. Let me in, guys. I gotta bring the food in so the babies can have water. Okay. And I just gotta get some water. Food. You guys go. There you go. That's what they're waiting on. And one scoop for the babies. I'll throw some in there so they can get it. And I gotta throw some in for these other ones. They're waiting. Crazy boogers, there you go. Okay. Let me put this in here. So there we go. Everybody's eating.